Hey guys, what's up? I just got these 5 pound weights in from Amazon and just thought I'd show them to you. I was looking for something. I have a really small space, not a lot of storage. Wanted something that could sit out in my house and not distract from like the ambiance of my space. I use a lot of neutral colors. I love tans, browns, grays, golds, things like that. And when I saw the set, I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be perfect because if it's sitting somewhere, it's not like some distracting color. It really goes with the look of my house. All of the weights are like coated. These are of course 5 pounds as it says the five on there, but like you can see this coating. It's got this sort of like not soft, but like mild texture to it that's really easy to grip. And so even if your hands get sweaty, I could see how you're not going to have any movement. Like I'm trying to pull that. You can see it's cold in here, so my knuckles are like white. But like the grip is really nice. Same thing, like if you set them somewhere, they're not really going to slide because they have that nice sort of rubbery texture on the outside of the weights. Anyway, I'm really pleased with these. I, again, love the look. I think there are some other color options available if you prefer the other colors. I'm just really crazy about this color, and they're super easy to use and look great in my space, which I love. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.